All right, introducing the game for 3rd grade on up to practice fluency with their times tables and factors. We're removing the face cards from the deck. And otherwise it's well shuffled. So there can be a game board, or obviously this could just be played on a tabletop. But we reveal 4 face-up cards from the deck. And the challenge is, can you make 10 from as many of these cards as possible? This is a great first deal, for example's sake, because I would first yell out 2. I can use 2 cards. And then we're waiting around for your partner to say, all right, go for it. I challenge you to make 10 using 2 of the cards. Or the other person has a chance to yell out 3. If they see, and so, if you can make 10, I would say 7 plus 3. The next person might yell out 3 and say, I can make 10 using, is this possible? I don't really see it with 3. But if I were playing this game, after the person yelled out 2, maybe my son, I would yell out 4. I can use all 4. And once a person says that they can use all 4, all right, they're on the spot to immediately show that. And I would say 7 plus 3 is 10 times 10 over 10, which is the same as 1, equals 10. And if I'm playing with my son, I would have him write that equation on a piece of paper to show, and I would do the same. If I yelled out the winning number of cards, I would write that equation down, showing obviously the operators and parentheses to show, intended order of operations. If I won that round by calling out 4 and then I actually demonstrated 4, then I get to keep all these 4 cards. If somebody won the round by calling out 3, then they get to keep those 3 cards, and then I would just deal in the open spaces. So the playing surface is cleared. We have 4, 2, 2, 4. How can I make 10? Feeling a little on the spot here. 4 times 2 is 8. I would say 3. 3 right off the bat, I can see. I would do 4 times 2 is 8, plus another 2 is 10. Now, let me put my thinking cap on. Can I use all of these cards? Can I get to 4? So after I called out 3, I'm waiting and waiting for my partner to see if they can say 4, or they say, all right, you're challenged, do it using 3. Or myself, if I see the 4, I can then say 4, and then I'm immediately challenged to prove it. So 4 minus 2 is 2, 4 minus 4 is 0. 4, 4, 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8. 4. I would yell out 4 right now. Then I immediately have to prove it. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 4 is 12. Minus 2 is 10. So I would get to keep those cards again. But if you have a well-matched 2 players, hopefully keeping the cards would be going back and forth. And they might not see there is usually a combination that'll get you all 4 cards every time. They might not see it, but so it goes. That is the game Make 10.